service to the public must be swift and not to matter, honest and not to trust, and impactful and not to be done. As we gather to celebrate the 71st anniversary of the Highway Patrol Group, I am filled with immense pride and profound gratitude. For over 7 decades, this elite unit has stood as the bedrock of safety, order, and security across our nation's vast road network. Today, we do not just celebrate longevity, we honor an enduring legacy of discipline, sacrifice, and unwavering service. This milestone comes at a historic juncture as we wholeheartedly embrace the vision of a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman. This is not just a slogan to us, it is our operational compass. Every response to an emergency, every checkpoint conducted, and every motorist assisted is a reflection of this promise. Delivering service that is swift, transparent, and tangible to the everyday Filipino. Despite the challenges brought by the global energy and fuel crisis, the Highway Patrol Group remains steadfast, turning limitations into opportunities for innovations through the dedication and resilience of our personnel. We achieved a significant increase in operational accomplishments and continued delivering services that is truly felt by the public. Over the past years, the Highway Patrol Group has strengthened its impact beyond our borders through active participation in ASEAN road security initiatives, showcasing our tactical and traffic management capabilities at par with regional standards. Through collaboration with international counterparts, we continue to promote safer, more secure highways across Southeast Asia. Ang bagong Pilipinas demands a police force with integrity and accountability. The Highway Patrol Group maintains a strict zero-tolerance policy against any form of illegality and misconduct, ensuring that those who compromise the organization's integrity are held accountable. To the men and women of the Highway Patrol Group, both active personnel and the trailblazing veterans who came before us, thank you for your tireless service. As we steer towards the future, let us ride with precision, enforce with compassion, and embody the ideals of the bagong PNP. To our awardees and our support, thank you very much for joining this activity. Hope to see you again on our next anniversary. Happy 71st anniversary, and may we always remain the true guardians of the highway. Good morning.
Thank you very much, sir. Kindly be seated.